Guys, alam na. Nag-thank you na siya sa akin, guys. Papabiling niya yata. Nak, what did you say to mama lang?
That's you, Mama.
Aww. Kailangan na natin bilihin, guys. Nag-thank you na eh. Dali. Mo.
Why? Are you scared about are you paranoid about the shoes?
Huh?
Are you paranoid about the shoes or something?
No. I went to the shop to
No.
say something that I think you like.
I like the shoes.
I know you do.
Mama.
That's good. Well done. Alam niyo ba, guys, this is her first time na mag-attempt siyang mag-try nito. But look! She looks like a pro. I just showed her once. Sabi ko, push with your one foot. Tingnan niyo. Oh. Hala. She has been trying to last time, but sabi ko, don't honey, because she might fall. She's still too little ba. But she really wants it. So, there you go. Ooh, ooh. What's that for? There you go. Good job. Well done, sweetheart.
Auntie.
Ati! Yeah, I can't wait for you to show Ati later. Ati's at school. We just dropped her actually. It's still early in the morning. But, oh, have a look. Can you see my shadow? Sobrang ganda ng araw today. Okay, that way. Back. Do you need Mama's help? Do you need Mama's help? Yes, Mama. Please. Okay. Tignan nyo. Inano talaga niya yung paa niya na ma-center ba, oh. Great job, Leanie. Mama's very proud. Say hi, guys. Leanie, say hi, guys.
Guys.
May time pa talagang mag-hi, guys, eh. Wow. How about you say, good morning? You say, good morning. Whoopsie. Oopsie. Help? Okay, this way. Oh, careful. Careful. Okay, push. Push. Oh. No, it's not gonna run long. You have to push it with your foot. Come on. Come on. Oh. Look at that. Oh. What are you? Are you a Santa Claus? Oh. Bubble bath. Bubble bath. Bubble bath. Hi guys. Happy Friday everyone. It's 2:01 in the afternoon. Yeah. Kanina, pinakita ko, diba, nag-bubble bath kami ni baby Celine. After that, she had something to eat and then she fell asleep. So until now, tulog pa rin siya, guys. And very soon, we are going to pick up Ate Paris. So maybe, yeah, I have to gising her. Oh, so I feel fresh today, guys. Tingnan niyo. Naliguan ko ang aking hair. I did a little bit of kulot-kulot for a change. Ayan. Alam niyo ba, there's one thing na I learned from my hairdresser, guys, nung nandun ako. Kasi nga yung hair ko, diba, in-straight ko na. So, hindi na siya yung pa-V na merong maraming layers. So, na-notice ko na every time I curl it, yung dito sa baba, kasi ano siya, straight lang siya, madali siyang ma-loose ang kanyang curl. So, pambagsak siya ba. So, sabi ni Zoe, yung hairdresser ko, most likely mag-stay yung curls longer kapag meron siyang layers, guys. Anyways, ayan. Hindi naman pang-rampa na, ano guys, na curl ang ginawa ko. Pang daily lang. Kasi I feel very fresh, nakaligo. Nakaligo. Kami dalawa ni Baby Celine nagsabay maligo, guys. And I used the mask that she told me to use. And it's looking real good. So, nilagay ko siya sa aking hair for while nandun kami sa bath na Baby Celine. So, at least 15 minutes. Tapos, nirinse ko. And yeah, this is the result. Ayan. So, today is the 28th pala, guys. Yesterday, a birthday ni Daddy Mike. Pero, wala kaming ginawang celebration. Hindi nga ako nag-vlog kahapon, guys. Daddy was working and anong oras na siya natapos. So, we ordered some food in. Kumain na lang kami dito sa bahay. And, yeah, so there was nothing really special yesterday na ginawa namin because, yeah, you know, Daddy Mike was working. Anyways, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung binili ko kay Daddy Mike for his birthday, di ba? Pinakita ko yung box nung nag-haul ako. But hindi ko inopen kasi, you know, hindi naman for me, it's for Daddy Mike. So, it's this pair of shoes from, ano ba ito siya? From Hoka. Under what brand? Hoka ba talaga yung brand niya? Na ako na talagang bumili na hindi ko alam. Ayan. Oh. Meron na siyang white dito, meron na siyang ibang mga kulay nito. Ito yung shoes na ginagamit niya for ano, workout. Daily niya, maglakad siya papuntang work, ganyan. Very comfy. So, wala siyang black na ganito. So, ito na lang yung binili ko. Wala na akong maisip na, even though wala kaming ginawang celebration kahapon, guys, ay, lalabas naman kami tonight. Daddy, as you can hear, Daddy is working from home today. So, we'll go out tonight pagkatapos ng work niya. And, I promised Paris to go to the shopping center to get the mermaid tails, guys. My God. Si Celine tsaka sa Ate Paris, they are currently obsessed with mermaid tails. And kaya sabi ko kay Ate Paris, yeah, after school, ay dadalhin ko siya doon. So, I might do that. After school, diretso kami doon. Tapos, uwi kami. Then, Daddy will be finished working. And then, yeah, we can decide what to do. And also, not tomorrow, not Saturday, the next Saturday, 5th of August, ay meron kaming celebration with the whole family for Daddy Mike's birthday. So, pupunta kami sa isang Filipino restaurant. In-invite ko yung family ko dito sa Brisbane, guys. And most of them are coming. So, I'm very excited for that. Sobrang sarap nito. Available pa ba ito siya sa Pinas ngayon? Pinakasabi dito, ano eh, Super Candy Corporation, Metro Manila, Philippines. Caloocan. Super yummy. Binili ko to siya from that store. Alam niyo yung 24/7 na store yung pinupuntahan namin. And they sell Filipino stuff. Doon ko yun siya binili. Yan. Milk. Someone's awake.
Yeah.
Where are you going? Where? Come back! Nagtutupi ako ng damit, guys. Nandito lumabas. Sabi ko, pick upin natin si ate. Sabi niya, ate is home. Ate is not home yet. Lenny! Lin! Saan ako mo? Show me. Show me.
Daddy.
Doggy. Is that your friend? That's Sky. Can you say Sky?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you say sky?
Yeah.
Change clothes na.
Actually,
No.
No, we gotta go. What's the time now? Bye-bye, Daddy. Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Baba, Daddy.
Daddy's Daddy's on the phone, man.
Huh?
Daddy's on the phone.
Huh?
Tignan yung kanyang outfit, guys. Ala, Pilipinong-Pilipino.
Oh my God.
Say bye-bye, si Daddy's looking. Sige, bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Good girl. Come on, let's go. Go quick. I don't want Ate Paris to wait. Come on.
Daddy.
Is that the daddy?
Yeah.
Who's the other one?
Ati,
Ate?
sheet.
Ate Seat, yes. Sa harapan na kami ng school ni Ate Paris.
Sheet.
Medyo maaga kami ni Baby Celine. So naka-park kami dito sa harapan, guys. We'll come out in
Mommy.
about 5 minutes.
Mommy.
What happened?
Baby. Mommy.
Josh drama. So after dito, guys, uuwi muna kami.
Mommy.
Kukunin ko yung pram ni Baby Celine sa bahay. Tapos, may mapipick up din ito. Yung top ko. Ayan, oh. Yan, may mapipick up niyan. Benta ko sa Facebook Marketplace. So, kailangan taming umuwi. So nice today, guys. Oh my God, have a look. Tingnan nyo. Blue skies. Super warm. It says here, 25. Nag-girap-girap. 25 degrees. What happened? Look. Look. Where is Artie's seat? There. Where is Lenny's seat? No. What's Artie's name?
Sheet.
No. Paris.
No.
Yes, say Paris.
No, Mama.
Yes, it is Paris.
No.
How about Mama's name?
They need sheet too.
She's starting to speak really good now, guys. Like if she wants water, she'll ask you like, I want water.
Water.
Yeah, what did you say?
Water.
Water. Did you say I want water?
Mama. Auntie home.
Nah, Artie's not home yet. Artie's in school. There, see? Inside.
No.
Are you excited to see Ate Paris?
No, hush. They're there.
Yeah, are you excited to see her?
Hush. Hush.
Not house, at school.
No.
Can you say school?
Hush. I mean, hush. Hush.
House, it's school. Uy, taka.
Hush.
School.
Hush. No, hush. That one Auntie light up?
Yes. Hi, how are you? Wow. Thank you, Ate.
You have to press the button on the button.
Okay, let's go now.
Auntie.
Tingnan niya. Umiyak, guys. Gusto niya yung bola. But that's not ours. Light. Okay, Ate. Keep going. Okay, Ate will do it in the car, okay? Ate will do it in the car. How's your day, anak? What did you do? What happened?
Remember the pot thing? The one that's like this?
Yeah.
We colored them with cry packs.
Oh, wow.
That's what we did.
Look ahead.
Because we
Let's
used
go.
markers today.
It's now 3:41, guys. We're still in the car. Alam niyo ba, hinihintay pa rin namin itong babaeng ito eh. 3:20 yung usapan, guys. It's now 3:40 eh. And nag-message ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, may I know your ETA? Kasi kailangan na namin umalis guys. Magko-close yung shops at 5:30. And sabi niya, 7 minutes away daw, sabi ng maps niya. So hopefully she'll be here soon. Otherwise, I'll get really upset. The search for the mermaid tail is still on, guys. Do you think they have it here? Stocks discounts. So, Westfield kami ngayon. Kakapasok lang namin dito. They close at 5:30, so we still have an hour and a half to look for it.
If there's none there, we can just get some mermaid stuff.
Yeah. Well, we'll check somewhere else first. We're inside BW now, guys. Ito yung
But
meron sila.
can I find something for?
Yeah, we can. Actually. So this is what they've got. Ayaw natin Paris na to, guys. So, gusto niya yung hindi makikita yung paa niya. Tingnan nyo, guys. $36. My goodness. But we have to find this one. We came here for the tail, honey.
Mommy.
Merong ganito, 21. Pero ganyan siya, guys. Oh, ayaw niya.
Remember you said,
Yeah.
can we buy some decorations for Ariel too?
Yeah, but we came here for the tail, so we have to find the tail first. Okay, give that to Celine, because Celine wants to hold it. Oh, they have Barbie. Look! Oh, so cute naman yun. Oh.
That's the Ursula one.
Lang, who's this lang?
Barbie.
Barbie!
Ursula.
Oh, yeah. Poor unfortunate soul.
Wait, that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
No, wait.
Yes, sweetie.
Daddy.
Okay, we'll go to, oh, anak, put it back, please, my love.
I don't know how to.
Yeah.
It wouldn't fit.
Here. Hey, we'll go to Spotlight and see if they have it there. Guys, alam na. Nag-thank you na siya sa akin, guys. Papabiling niya yata. Nak, what did you say to mama lang?
That's you, Mama.
Aww. Kailangan na natin bilihin, guys. Nag-thank you na eh. Is it not broken lang? Ariel. How much is that lang?
I found another thing.
Ooh, pearls.
We can use this for mermaid.
Yeah. Where's the thing lang? How much is this one? Can you go find it? Ayaw niya talaga yung ano, guys. Bilhan ko na lang to online. Ha?
I think it's in the wrong place.
No, it's part of this one, so they're $5. Do you want that, Lynn?
Yeah.
How about you, ate?
I want that, and I also want this too.
Which one?
I want this too. I said
You want the pearls? Okay, come, let's go.
vampire.
Let's go pay. We'll go
This is not
to the other shop, okay? We don't have enough time kasi anak. We only have, what's the time now? This is an hour. Okay, let's go pay for it.
Mine.
Yes, sweetie.
I don't like it with it.
It's nearly Halloween lang, oh.
Mine.
Yeah. Look at that one lang. Dragon. What is it, sweetie?
I thought we have to part of it.
We'll pay ate.
Mine.
Yeah.
Well, how much? I don't like it takes next week. So how much does you say?
Well, if you have to order it online, it will take a while, so... But that's the one that you like. The one that you really like.
Yeah, can I choose it?
Yeah. That's okay. You can just use the blanket for now if you have to. While waiting. But you have the pearls and that. Yeah? Madam? You look like Mrs. Kennedy.
What? Why would you say that?
Celine, meron na oh.
Yeah, I'm going to use that too.
Okay? Alright, you can share, okay? But we'll go to the other shop. Maybe we'll find something for mermaids there as well, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, ate.
I will just find it.
Thank you. You wanna go? Natakot siya, guys.
No! Just put, come on! No!
So Sabi ng atin niya, ate, hold. Na.
Sama, look.
No?
You're the queen.
Listen to ate, oh. Howling like a swirling stormy.
I just put her on.
She's scared.
I just put her on.
Si madam nakaperlas lang sila.
Mama, put her on.
You wanna sit? No? Okay. She doesn't want to laugh.
I just put her on my lap.
No, she's...
I just put her on.
She doesn't want it. Sayang lang. $3 na lang, oh. Oh. Bulingit.
Hi guys, we're doing some nails now. And I'm gonna dip in water for 10 minutes and then put this on.
I guess the gray area.
Can I put sign up?
It's very hot. Hang on, wait a minute. You're a second. It's the
Cold water.
glue nails, guys. Kailangan daw ibabad sa warm water for 10 to 15 minutes ang kanilang mga kamay ng aking mga customers.
Mike, can I blow it?
Okay, it will be warm now.
The pin does clearly state the
Okay, there.
from the back.
I feel.
Lini, this is yours, okay? You put your
Maybe it's
hand in
that hard, but
there.
after
Hey, look at the
the
bars.
pin was obtained through
Like that.
deception,
Just put like...
and that's not.
I'm so hot.
That's
it's
not
warm.
the customer's
So
part.
Bulingit nga ba to?
So guys, I'm gonna use that, but I'm going to do warm water for a few minutes. 10 minutes or 20 minutes.
10 to 15.
Mommy.
Ayan yung bilhan namin. Oh. BYS Mini Me. $6.95. No glue required.
Mommy.
So, Celine, can you use the little ones?
I'm using the second one.
Yeah. This one. No, this is for the biggest one. I'll choose. I'll make sure.
Okay.
Up.
Up? Okay. Sit next to Ate.
No.
Kanisang pataan ni kay. Sige lang. Iyak.
Put your hands. No.
No, okay. Alright, we'll open this one now. You use the small ones, okay?
That's the thing. It's a grey area. It's a grey area because it's a grey area.
Alam niyo ba, guys?
The facts are the facts.
Sa clock na ha. Tingnan, naririnig niyo ba? Ang katrabaho ko.
I almost finished.
But they
Am I almost finished?
Yeah. Apin, baby.
again,
So, we'll just show Tita and Tito how we do it.
they're also on the
Okay.
So we have to put water for 10 minutes, warm water, and then we have to stick them on.
Kakauwi lang namin, guys. Just na. Ala! Wait lang. Kasi gana. Stick to each other. Kakauwi lang namin, guys. Just.
Mommy.
Hingan lang.
Mommy.
I know. Baby, give me your finger.
What?
Can I see?
Look.
Are you using the small
Careful
ones?
lang, because it's gonna stick together lang. We can't use it now. Wait a minute, Ling. Patience is the key, Ling.
Can I take them out now?
Yeah, that's fine, Ate.
Yeah.
Is it 10 minutes?
Wow, show Tita. Tita. Wow, like this, like this.
Mommy.
Oh.
That's starting to happen, and even now with the big four.
No, I think it's finished now. I think it's dry. No, it's dry now.
And have advised
No, it's dry now.
they'll be paying out scam.
Yeah, I'll put it.
Going forward. Simple. Get scammed.
Wow.
Justice is not good enough to protect you, will pay you up.
Nak, sipon mo ka na.
They're so small. They suit you.
Yeah, no.
That's a great line.
Show that
Show
that your nails. Okay, we'll do artist.
Do you want me to take off this?
Yeah. What happened, Ling? Oh, did you drop it?
Control,
Oh,
we've got
no.
controls, but it's never going to be foolproof, right?
Let's see. Do you reckon?
Mama, Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy.
What happened? Oh no! Oh no, everything came off. Day, don't try it yet. Day, just let it dry.
Correct.
Is it too big?
That's true.
But
But
too big, the ramen. Too big,
if your
the
workflow is going to increase substantially, then
Messiah. Too big.
needs to also
Too big. That's water. Yeah.
If they don't,
And
yeah, people will start leaving. They will for starters, but
But this is very good for mermaids.
Can't control that.
wala kasi kami makitang tail, guys. So, hinahanap nila something for mermaid. Bibilhan ko na lang sila online. Too big.
And this is what my nails look like. This one's very sparkly. This one is rainbow. There's 2 rainbows and 2 whites. And my mom is doing still more.
Initially, as someone that's like,
Mom, what about school? I wanna have it when my marital is here.
not based
Yeah,
on
well,
what I
you use it now, so it's no more.
I would
But that's
say
fine.
you would make your
I can
initial,
still wear them.
you'd make your initial
Mommy.
Mermaid! Mermaid daw siya, guys. Wait, show here. Show, tita, what you've got.
Then,
Wow, very nice. You happy?
go to Africa,
Yeah.
and then
Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung napamili namin while we were there, guys. First, wala, where's your wand? Ah, here.
regardless of
Kasi wala kami makitang ano nga, no? Mermaid tail. So, ayan. Anything related to mermaid. Wow, look at this.
Probably my original set, right? I
Umiiyak ang ating baby cylinder. Natanggal naman.
force the bank to make it
Hmm?
almost impossible. for you to
Sticky?
Put them.
Is it sticky?
Somehow.
I got
They're getting twisted.
These as well from Big W.
Somehow.
Sarap nito, guys.
Building them.
And we went to Best and Less kasi nagtingin-tingin kami. Akala ko meron doon, guys. Pa, wala eh. So, I just grabbed something else. Bumili ako nito for Ate Paris's, pag ilalim niya, pag punta siya ng school, maginaw.
Yeah, they'll need to find. They'll have to do a solution.
I've got Andy's for Paris. Nakaano siya, guys, 250 each kapag apat yung binili mo. So, $10 for different colors. Cute. And nakita na ko, guys, tita
Once the vouchers
for kitchen. Sabi niya sa akin, guys, kanina, maaga na kasi maaga siyang mag-start, maaga na siyang matapos. Anong oras na kayo may kausap po sa telepono?
It's just it's a nasty cycle. It's a cycle that.
Hindi na siguro naman kami ay lalabas ngayon.
All these
No,
types of
it's
things
too late
happen.
now for the
They've
kids.
been happening since
And,
I've
and everybody,
They're in the
this is
background.
what my nails look like. I don't think you see.
Oh.
Right.
Okay, what else did we get there? Oh, bumili ako nito. Tights din for Ate Paris. It's $6 each. Dalawa yung binili ko, guys.
Oh my god.
To school. Ayan. And then,
Fortunate
bumili ako ng, ayan, kisses. Chocolate.
I want one.
Nothing.
Please, please.
Wait, enough for today. And then, bumili ako ng
What? Lip.
pangregalo ko pa. Ayan, kay Bernard. Mamaya i-open natin, bigay ko sa kanya. Ito yung nakita ko na siguro magustuhan niya. Remember nung Sunday, pumunta kami sa Sunday market, right? And then, hinahawakan niya, nagandahan talaga siya, guys, kasi gusto niya itong suotin. But then, ayaw niyang mag-splurge kasi it was over $100. Ayaw niyang, sabi niya, it's too much to. Anyways, bibili ako ng isa for him. Ako na lang bumili kasi ayaw niyang magbili.
I'm gonna shake a heart.
Ayun, pakita namin sa inyo mamaya. Ewan ko lang kung kailan pa siya matatapos, guys. Say time check, it's 6:22.
Mommy.
Ay, oras. Hindi makita ang oras, guys. 6:22.
Mommy.
Yes lang. Oh, it came off again? Oh, no. Oh, no. Goy, noy. Hindi man siya very sticky lang, no? Nak, maliit pa kasi yung mga
Hopefully, once or twice.
nails mo na. Kaya hindi siya mag-stick lang. So I decided to get pizza for tonight, guys, since hindi kami nakaalis. And I'm so upset. Look! Ham and pineapple. One. I don't seriously get it. Wala yung drinks. I don't know, I'll have a look at the order. Kasi mamili ako ng drinks. Cleaning! Look! What's this?
Hi.
Is it hot?
There's no drinks though. Crazy.
Did you order this?
I did order it and it here it just says what does it say like this?
1 times
Daddy.
2 ham and pineapple.
What's doing? I ordered like the thing we ordered last week.
I didn't come with this. Yeah, 1 margarita, 1 ham and 6 pineapple.
Yes.
Show daddy. Show daddy. Show daddy.
Ah,
Now,
we'll check my order.
I think
Tingnan
maybe
nyo.
we can do it at the same time.
Hindi ko mo ma-check kasi nag-upload ako na, nag-upload ang tawag dito, nag-edit ako tapos 6:40 na lang siya, guys.
Yeah.
For tonight. Oh, anong oras na?
Did you get it close?
Walang drink.
I don't like this
Annoying.
one.
Natapos na kami kumain, guys. And you know what? Chinek ko yung order ko sa Uber Eats and nandun yung drinks. However, wala silang pinadala. So I complained straight away. Alam nila siguro, guys, so refunded. It will take a few days. Mababalik sa account ko. So Daddy Mike ordered something, a drink as well. So ayun, lumabas siya kasi nandun na daw yung delivery. Woo! What are you doing? Tinan niyo tong dalawa dito, guys. Oh, naglalaro ng seashells.
My want me to make Ursula's necklace with this?
You can.
I have a look. See? Well, I want to do something else.
Don't put it in your mouth, okay?
I'm going to do a clam.
Okay.
A clam.
Asla. What is that?
Mama.
Mama?
Sama.
What is it? It is shell. Can you say shell? Glass.
That's not glass.
And good news, guys. Natapos ko ang vlogging, editing, and upload. So, ayan, meron tayong upload tonight. Hala, Daddy. Nak, open Daddy, nak. Lang. Daddy got locked out. Open. Careful, please. There.
My hands are really melting.
It's alright. That's what candle is for.
No, I'm just telling you. I can see it's clean. Oh wait, that's mine. Clean. Oh, that's mine.
We'll go get Daddy's present.
No! Don't you dare. You honey.
Ow.
Don't you dare, my honey.
Good dairy.
Honey, mama, daddy.
Give it. Daddy. Give it back. More.
Wait, are you scared about are you paranoid about the shoes?
Huh?
Are you paranoid about the shoes or something?
No. I went to the shop, so
No,
say something that I think you like.
I like the shoes.
I know you do.
Mama.
You can always exchange it if you don't like it or if the size is not right.
Memphis.
Huh?
The size is correct.
Mama.
The size is right.
I like the color, I think it'll suit you. Huh? Do you like it?
It's my favorite player. It is my favorite player.
Really? Who?
John Morant. This is the team I like, but
Do you?
Mama, do you
I
have
don't know.
anything
You
that's
see, like,
stronger?
Daddy is more Filipino when it comes to that, guys. But I don't know anything about basketball.
you mean I'm more of a man?
No, like Philo, basketball.
Mine.
Vic, can you try it on, please?
Mine.
Show me. Yes, my love.
You feel? Is there anything that that can stick on shelf?
More. Meron pa siyang
No.
ganito, oh. Yeah. Kasi sabi ko, it's my husband's birthday. So he said, we'll put it in the gift box. This is the gift box. Smells good, Lini. So, nag-order si Daddy Mike dito, guys. Order pa siya ng coke. Yun lang yung order mo, Daddy. So, Lord. Nagkape na ako. Late na ako. Ha? Be? Oh, perfect. Oh, it looks real nice. Have a look at it, honey.
It fits.
Come here. It fits, yeah? Do you like it, Ate?
Yeah.
Look. Oh, diba? Nice. Oh, I'm so happy I got the size. Perfect size for you. Nice. I really love the color on you as well. Bill, back.
Mama.
Run. Back, Saba.
Do I actually do it?
Nice. So you're not exchanging it? We'll put this away.
Do I actually?
Huh?
No.
Not exchanging.
No.
Want to know a funny story? This plane got banned now
What?
for carrying guns everywhere.
Huh?
Carrying guns.
They're mine too.
Do you know who this player is?
No.
I just told you. Hi, honey. Share with Ate Paris, please.
No.
Yes.
They're mine.
Ay, mine. No, you share with Ate. See, Ate Paris always shares with you. You should share with Ate Paris too, yeah?
No. Then
Di talaga joke ka.
I don't have any more stickers.
See
No
that?
more?
That's the only one I have.
There'll be more there somewhere, honey girl. Lynn, ay, kamaldita lang
Kaya.
niya.
No!
Instead of giving it to her sister, she throw it away. Ba't na lang giving it? Ay, no, Ling.
Ling!
Rene, it's not good, okay?
No.
Hey!
It's funny to me.
That's John Morant.
And that
Ah, yeah. Oh.
Why is it not working?
Sure, it's first rifle so easy. Malas ng silanganan. Why is this Grizzlies?
Memphis Grizzlies.
Ah, is it? I'm so happy with the color that I chose.
Mama, look, I was using that necklace. Mama, well, you can have it.
That is lost weight.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Where's the stickers? Where's the stickers? I read them.
You did?
Can I see have it?
I've barely been working out.
No.
I haven't actually. I just haven't been working out this week. Where's my free stuff?
Your what? I don't know. Ask Celine. Time check, guys. It's now midnight. Pagkalabas ko dito sa lunchroom, nakatulog pala si Daddy Mike, guys. Pinatulog ko yung mga kids, tapos nag-skincare na rin si mama niyo. Diba? Safe ko dyan. Nagising si Daddy Mike at tinignan namin yung sahig ng bahay, guys. My God. Ayoko ipakita sa inyo, sobrang messy. Si Baby Celine kasi Ate Paris before they were playing, and yeah, it's the time kung kailan pwede na kami maglinis kasi tulog sila. Oh my God, so messy. picking up the stuff now. Anyways, I'm going to do a shout out again before we end the vlog. As always, so thankful to everyone who's watching and always supporting our vlogs. Shout out to Evangeline Antivo, JL, Lini Langit, Rochelle Pacana, Morena Dusil, Arlene Hover, Delaney Prince, Jamela Kawaja, Cecile Regalado, Sweet Shy Kulit, Irene Aliperio, Ashik Life, Naida Trufil, Angelina Ledesma, Juliet Caparas, Laika Ibana, Maricar Castaneda, Mercy Narito, Lolita Lacuesta, Angelina Hugo, Arcelita Clapano, Blessed Eva Anasaliv, Celine, Anne Masungsong, Janzi Pinay Australia, Perlita Likut, Milvalit, Susan Villar, Rosward Matulak, Zusi Yoro, Remy Pauline, and Yet Balino. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye bye.